The Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, boasting pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, beautiful forests, and majestic mountains that captivate visitors from around the globe.
Promoting this breathtaking landscape involves leveraging social media to showcase stunning visuals, engaging in ecotourism to emphasize sustainability, and highlighting unique biodiversity to attract nature enthusiasts.
By embracing these strategies, the Philippines can draw more tourists, preserve its environment, and foster national pride, solidifying its status of a premier travel destination.